Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to set up your store listing. The store listing section allows you to fill in information about your app to let users learn more about your app. Go to the store listing. Here you will see the product details. Enter a short description and full description for your application here. If you want, you can also edit your application name. Now let's move to your app graphics where you can manage the app icons, screenshots, and videos to promote your app on Google Play Store. From here you can upload your app icon. Click on the Browse Files button to add at least one phone screenshot of your application. You can also upload a screenshot for tablet and Android TV, Wear OS, or Android Automotive OS. If you want, you can add any image of your app, like company logo or splash screen in the future graphic. Similarly, you can also add a promo graphic image, TV banner image, and a 360-degree stereoscopic image of your app. Here you can add a YouTube video URL of your app. Next comes categorization. Select the application type and app category from the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, you can pick either app or game for the application type. Now click on Manage Tags and you'll be redirected to the tags section. Depending on your application type and category, you can search the tags. Now click Add to add tags to describe the content and functionality of your app. Let's go back to the categorization section. From here you can apply for content rating. Now coming to contact details, here you can provide an email address where you might be contacted. Please note the email address entered here will be displayed publicly with your app. If you want, you can also provide your website as well as the phone number here. Once done, click on Save Draft to save the application. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the process of submitting your app to the Google Play Store.